Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are well and happy at your homes. So, let's get start today's class. What we did in yesterday class, students, we did multiplication of two-digit number like this. Okay, we did questions like this in which we say a table of 3 up to 2, like 3 2s are 6. Okay, like 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25. Okay, we did that type of questions yesterday in yesterday class. Okay, these are one digit number. Okay, now in today's class we have two digit number. You should write the place value also when you are doing when you do the sum in your HW. Okay, so two digit number, so like 4 and 2. Okay, 4 and 2, like this is your box. You have to write like this. Okay, this is your box. 2 on the ones position, 4 on the tens position. Okay, now the sign of multiplication is on the tens position, on below on tens position, 4 के बिल्कुल नीचे. ठीक है, देन यहाँ पर आपका नंबर आएगा 2 जिससे आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, सो दिस इज योर सम. In today's class we are going to do this type of questions. Okay, so say with me, 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, so write 4 here. Now 2 से 4 का, first we have to say a table of 2 to the number which is given on ones position. Okay, number 2 is given on ones position because हम जब आप प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट जब आप पढ़ते हैं बच्चों, तो आप देखते हैं ना पहले ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000 and so on. So first we have to do 2 to 2 because 2 is on the ones position. सबसे पहले हम ones position के नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, हो गया ये कंप्लीट. Now go to next number on the tens position. 2 4s are 8. So this is your sum. This is completed. हो गया पूरा. ठीक है. Now see the next one. Tens and ones, then 3 4 multiply by 1. Okay, this is the pattern you have to follow. Okay, so 1 4 is 1 1 is a 1 look, ones का टेबल, दैट मीन्स कि 1 का टेबल आप किसी भी नंबर के साथ बोलेंगे आंसर वही होगा. 1 1 is 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, so 1 4s are 4. Okay, and 1 3s are 3. So this is your answer. Okay, now I'm not going to make a box again and again. This is an example जो आपको फॉलो करना है जब आप नोटबुक में सम्स करेंगे. Okay, now see some more tens and ones. We have 2 and 3. Okay, so 3 3s are 3 on the ones position. We have 3, so we have to say a table of that of this number to this number. 3 3s are 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, so write 6 here. Now tens position तक जाएंगे आप. ones के बाद tens position क्या नंबर का बोलेंगे आप, टेबल बोलेंगे इस नंबर तक. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, so 66 is the answer. Okay, (44 multiply by 2). Now 2 4s are 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. So write 8 again. 2 4s are 2, 2 1, 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Okay, पैटर्न बेटा वैसे ही है जैसे हमने कल सम्स किया था, बट अभी आपके पास 2 डिजिट हो गया. तो अगर आप ये सम्स को ऐसे करते हैं, देखिए एक एग्जाम्पल देते हैं. अगर आप ये करते हैं ना 2 2 4 आप पहले यहाँ लिख देते हैं, सो दिस इज रॉन्ग। ओके, आपको सबसे पहले वंस पोजीशन के नंबर का टेबल नीचे जो नंबर दिया है उसका टेबल आपको वंस पोजीशन के नंबर तक से बोलना है, देन उसका आंसर लिखेंगे वंस पोजीशन का। वंस पोजीशन पे वंस पोजीशन का टेबल आप जब बोलेंगे तो वंस की प्लेस वैल्यू पर ही उसके लिखे, लाइक उसका जो प्लेस है, वंस का प्लेस ये है ना, इधर वाले ये नंबर वंस की प्लेस पे, दिस इज ऑन द वंस प्लेस ऑल्सो, सो यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर ऑन द वंस प्लेस, नॉट ऑन द टेंस प्लेस। So 3 3s are 6 on the ones. Now 3 2s are 6 on the tens, because 3 3s are 6 on the ones we have. Now 3 2s are 6 on the tens we have. So write 6 here. Okay. Now see some more. The more sums you practice, the more you are able to do any sums. Okay. Nothing is difficult, beta. Just need a practice. In subject maths, you just need a practice. Okay. Okay, now 3 2s are 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 on the ones position. 3 4s are 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So this is a 3 digit number. मैंने आपको कल भी बताया था, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप 2 डिजिट नंबर की मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर रहे हैं तो आपको आंसर भी 2 डिजिट में मिले, दिस इज नॉट नेसेसरी। ओके, सो टू व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ 2 डिजिट नंबर, you may get the answer in 3 digit also. Okay, so this is, now see the next one. 8 1 is 8. Now 8 7s are 8 1 is 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 36, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64. Okay, we have to say 8 to 7. Okay, so 8 1 is 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56. Here also we get the answer in 3 digit na, so this is right. Okay, now see the next one. Okay, so these are 2 digit number but multiplication with 1 digit. Now we do 1 2 3. Okay, now we do 3 digit number. The place value of 3 digit number is ones, then tens, then 100. O say ones, T means tens, and H is for 100. So put 2 4 3. Okay, multiply by 2. So say with me, 2 3s are 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now 2 1 is, now listen to me carefully. In this we have 2 digit number. अभी मैंने आपको बताया how to write it. Now 3 digit number. Follow the same pattern. 2 3s are 6. 6 is on the ones place because 3 is on the ones place. So the answer of this, after multiplying these two numbers, the answer will be written on the, ये कहाँ लिखा जाएगा, on the ones position पे. Okay, so 3 2s are 6. Now 2 4 is on the tens place, 4 is on the tens place, so you will write the answer on the tens place only. Okay, so 2 4s are 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, so write 8 here on the tens position. Now 2 is on the 100 position, so the multiplication of these two digits will write here. So 2 2s are 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, so this is your sum. सेम है बेटा, बस पोजीशन का आपने ध्यान रखना है कि किस नंबर को किस पोजीशन पे लिखना है. वंस की डिजिट से अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे देन यू शुड राइट ऑन द वंस. इफ यू मल्टीप्लाइंग विद द डिजिट ऑफ इज ऑन टेंस प्लेस देन यू शुड राइट द आंसर ऑन द टेंस पोजीशन. एंड इफ यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग with the 100 with the number on the 100 position, so you should write the answer also on the 100 position. Okay, Now see this one. 3 2s are 3 2s are 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6. So write 6 here on the ones position. Now 3 3s are 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6. So write 6 on the tens place. Now 4 3s are 3 4s are 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 12 is a 2-digit number. So write 12 here. Okay, now you can see here this is a 3-digit number, but the answer we have is 4-digit number. So इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, आपका आंसर सही होना चाहिए. ओके, सो दिस इज 2-digit number multiplying by 1-digit number. These are 3-digit number multiplied by single-digit number. Okay, so see some more. By 1. 1 3 is 3. 1 1 is 1. 1 2s are 2. Okay. Now 2 4s are 8 on the ones position. 2 4s are 8 on the tens position. 2 4s are 8 on the 100 position. So 888 is the answer. Okay, so these are your sums for today's class. Okay, there are some properties of multiplication which you have to keep in your mind when you are solving a sums of multiplication. Okay, so the first one is 0 multiplied by number. 0 multiplied by one number. Like, hope you understand this. Okay, so look here. ये चीज़ें आपने माइंड में रखनी है जब आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन के सम्स को सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, ये कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज हैं. लाइक अगर किसी भी नंबर की 0 कर रहे हैं, हम 0 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, प्रॉपर्टीज. Okay, so 0 4s are 0. When you are that means कि when you are multiplying 0 with any of the number, so you will have the answer 0 itself. 0 ही आपका आंसर होगा. ठीक है, like you have, so 0 9s are 0. So that means मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 0 की किसी भी नंबर से तो आपका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 0. लाइक अगर आप ऐसे करते हैं 3 zeros, अगर यहाँ पर 0 इधर आ जाता है, 3 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0. ओके, ये सेम होगा पैटर्न आपका. ओके, अगर आप 1 से किसी की मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, 1 से करते हैं आप, 1 5s are 5. ठीक है, 1 into 3 करते हैं, 1 3s are 3. तो ये कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज हैं which you have to keep in your mind. Okay students, so on the basis of today's class you will get the homework. You should do, today's homework is you have to do page number 80 and 90 in your book. Okay, question 1 to 20 you have to do these sums in your book only. Okay students, so thank you, take care, bye bye.